are pleased to show you the 2020 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.